And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he said, إِنَّ الْقُلُوبَ لَتَتَصَدَّأُ كَمَا يَتَصَدَّأُ الْحَدِيدِ. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he said that the hearts, they rust, just like metal rusts. So then they asked the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, وَمَا جِلَاؤُهَا? How do we polish it? How do we cleanse the heart? He said to them, تِلَاوَةُ الْقُرْآنِ وَذِكْرِ الْمَوْتِ. By reciting the Quran. يَتْلُو عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتِهِ وَيُزَكِّيهِمْ. Read the Quran, it will purify your soul, it will purify your heart, it will purify you from bad actions and bad character. It will purify you from all this. And I share with you at the end a story. There was a scholar. A student walked and entered upon a scholar. And the scholar, he saw the student very worried and concerned. The signs of stress and worry were apparent on his face. So he said to him, "My son, go and pray and read some Quran." So the student went. He prayed 2 rak'at and he sat and he began to recite the word of Allah. After a while, he got up and went back to the sheikh, to his scholar. And the scholar witnessed that the signs of stress and calamity and difficulty had been erased and faded away from his face. So he said to him, "My son, your soul was hungry for the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Your soul was hungry for the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So try it next time when you are distressed, when you've come back from a long day of difficulty and stress and misery and whatever it is that you're going through. Sit down at the end of the day, just before you sleep, pray 2 rak'at and read the message of your Lord and try to understand it. Use Tafsir as-Sa'di. Buy a copy for yourself and read an explanation and a commentary on the ayat you read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ayat. Whatever Allah Azza wa Jal allows you to read, and see how this would be the greatest therapy for that wounded soul.